Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make over 2,500 net profit US dollars per week in 7 days with affiliate marketing using TikTok. So as you'll see here on my screen right now, right, you can see I'm logged in into my TikTok and you can see all this is organic. So basically no paid ads, no TikTok ads at all. Now let me show you, in the last 7 days we had over 233,000 views. Now keep in mind, bear in mind, okay, stay here with me. If you know about anything about affiliate marketing or promoting any offers, products, physical, digital, online, you should know that when you have the audience, the eyeballs, right, it's all it matters. Attention. First of all, it's attention. We have attention over here. It's organic. Now imagine if only, let's say 1%, okay, or let's say 0.5% of people of these 233,000 call my landing page and buy some product. How much money you could make from selling $37 to $100 or $300 products online, right? Just to help you imagine things and how you can see yourself doing this right now, right? As you can see in the last 28 days, almost 1 million views, 11,000 comments. It's all organic engagement with buyers traffic. Those are all buyers. Those are people who are interested in the weight loss space, in dating space, in the relationship space, right? So you should understand that once you have a audience and you put irresistible offer in front of them, you can get really great results. Let me show over here what it's possible. You see, once you take affiliate marketing seriously, with TikTok in this case as a traffic, or Google, right, or Facebook, doesn't matter. You can see over here, right, all this is possible because of affiliate marketing, because of promoting different physical and digital products online. Now later you can reach out to me or follow me here on my Instagram, right? But as of now, I want to show exactly what you can do, right? For example, if you go over here to, let's say, ClickBank, right, where you can promote for free different physical products, weight loss supplements. You can see over here dental health, meditation, fitness, exercise, sleep, strength training, women's health, beauty, right? Let's say Java Burn. Java Burn is one of the weight loss coffees, and you can see you can earn over 146 US dollars per sale, and gravity score on ClickBank is 626. So it means over 600 people approximately every week are making sale, are earning money with this ClickBank offer. You can see over here, right? You can go and choose any of those. Now, if I were you, especially after COVID, you know that e-commerce is growing. Studies have shown that there's over 3 to 5 to $6 billion per year industry, e-commerce, online affiliate marketing, right? So why don't you take advantage of that and do something for yourself? Let me show you how you can do that, right? So it's all about having the right hooks, the right copywriting, the right ideas, and it can be all done with you and for you. Okay, so let me show you over here. The first thing is about market, right? You need to have irresistible offer with hungry market. What do I mean by that? Because if you have, let's say 1,000 engaged customers, engaged audience, it's better than millions of views, because those are the buyers. So in hungry market, irresistible offer, great landing page. We pre-sell on the landing page. If you use WordPress blocks or ClickFunnels, remember, it's all about pre-selling, and we have 5 points. 5 points you have to pre-sell in order to make 35 to 65 conversion rate, right? Eyeballs, emotional states, low emotional states, high emotional states audiences. So it really depends what audience you're marketing. Again, if you have bought courses in the past and you have failed, again, it's not your fault. I understand you why, because I used to be there. I know how you feel. It's not your fault, because maybe you were misled, you didn't understand that there is always some missing puzzle that you can insert and install in 2024 to start making these results, these sales with affiliate marketing as a beginner. You don't need any experience, you don't need any special websites, you need only a functional funnel, functional website that you move the customer from the cold traffic to the buyer through those emotional loops and loopholes. Okay? So, audience level of intent. If you have ads in front of people with intent, you get sales. But if there is no buyer's intent, there is no message to the market match, I'm going to repeat myself, message to the market match, then you will not get the results. So that's why you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you so you can have sustainable full-time income online in 2024, spending 20 to 30 minutes a day. Okay, so do the math. If you have one sale per day, you're earning $5,400 per month. Now I know maybe you're thinking, okay, but I need someone to help me. And I used to be there. I thought, oh, everything is scam. I don't want to pay someone to teach me or mentor me, right? And then I figured out, I waited 2, 3, 4 years. Months turn into years. And then you're procrastinating, you're making excuses because you're scared and afraid. And you're in the same place that you used to be, where you could actually do something else. You could go out of your comfort zone and do something that will help you, to enable you to start generating really, really huge income online, right? So you can see some of the students that you're working with, you can see over $35,000. That's like in 1 week, 7,000 to 5,000 US dollars in net profit, right? What you could do with extra $5,000 a week or per month or a month, right? You could do many things. So what you can do, as you can see over here, you can connect with me after subscribing to this channel and watching other videos with me one-on-one. You have Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, everything in the description below. Also free Facebook group where you can join to get actually great results. Do let me know if you really want to get results and you want to grow your TikTok, or you want to grow your income online without showing your face. Let me know. Let's connect. You can watch other videos, but if you're serious, do let me know so you can install and duplicate this system to get exactly even better results in 2024.